Welcome to the Getting Started Guide. Now, this assumes you're at the free level, and as we go through, if you're in at a different level, we'll go through inside your training what it is you actually get access to. So for this, we're going to share my screen. I'm going to take you through all the features of the site so you can really learn how to get started.
And if you are at the free level, you can learn what you get access to. And again, if you're at higher levels, I'm going to take you through that
in the higher levels. So as a free user, guys, you can see what you get access to. I'm going to take you through everything that you get access to now. So as you can see, the Megalink is locked. If you haven't got the Megalink, if you have, I'll show you inside the Megalink training what you get. And you can also click on register. Okay, so you can register. You get all of our trainings free as a free user. So you can click on those, decide which one you want to join. The titles will be here. Click on register, and you can register for these live trainings. Okay, so if you want to be taught and you want to learn and you want to absolutely smash it with affiliate marketing and everything else we do, then you can register for the trainings. I would suggest everyone registers for the Friday Fix, where you can ask me anything, and the Cavecast and the other things that the Cavecast is a kind of form of podcast where I invite members, I invite students, and give real stories and real knowledge. So it's kind of a podcast that you can listen into live. Now, you haven't unlocked your Megalink yet, so you can actually upgrade here, and you can unlock it through that link there. That will allow you to earn commissions and learn much more inside the system. Okay, so you'll be earning $5 for each of the trains you watch, so it's well worth upgrading. Okay, so you can also invite people for points. We actually give away $17,000 per month to users based on their points. And if you click on this, it will take you to the Megalink. You need to be at Megalink level to actually take part in the leaderboards. And it's the same with this here. Okay, so you can take part in the leaderboard if you're at least Megalink level. You can click on remind and it will give you reminder options, and then when something goes live you will get emailed about it, but you can click on live now, you can click on the event here and it will take you to the live event. And to get back to all the events to see what's on at any point, click on live events or all events, or on the logo at the top. My suggestion is to jump on every single live training when you can. Now, some of the features are locked, okay, but a lot of the features are also open. So you can click on community. And when you join the community, first of all, you have to read through and agree to these, okay? We'll agree and continue, and it will take you through to the community site. So when the community comes up, you can see this screen here. It shows you all the discussions. And when you go down, on the left, you can see general discussions. You can take part in these general discussions. You can see the announcements and updates from me and the team. You can go in and introduce yourself. Okay, say, hey, I'm looking forward to this. Tell everyone about you. Then go to share your results. So you can go in here and you can actually see the results people are getting. Okay, so you're a big part of this community. You can see what the community is all about. And the most important one for me is the Ask Wayne. Okay, so when you've got a question that you want to ask me, okay, you can just start a discussion inside this group. And when I go on to the Friday Fix, I look inside there and I answer those questions live. Okay, so it's really good to go in the community, get involved, answer people, get to know people, enjoy it, guys. Okay, enjoy the community. Don't be afraid, we're here to help. Okay, now on the right here, okay, you've got a menu. You can go to bonus vault. Okay, this is where any bonuses that you've got will be kept. Okay, so if you upgrade to the Megalink, maybe your referrals give you some bonuses. You'll find them in here. And of course, the Skills Center, where you are now, and you're watching the Getting Started video. Okay, so it's nice and easy. Go through the videos, go through the free videos, and more importantly, okay, upgrade to the Megalink. Jump on these free trainings. We do 5 free things a week. We do external intelligence, which will be locked if you're a new member for the first 2 weeks. Okay, this is where I bring in a special guest to teach you a method or something that is working, okay, that we don't teach. So we bring in special guests. The Friday Fix is where I answer the questions inside the community and any that come up on the Friday Fix. This is on YouTube. External intelligence is invite only after 2 weeks. System unlock is held inside the site, and this is where we help you unlock the system even further and give you lots and lots of additional information on how to become better at affiliate marketing or whatever you choose, whatever your journey is. Then there's the Cavecast, which is our version of the podcast. And also on that, you've got our Tuesday lives, which are blueprints. They're called our blueprints, where we tell you how to get the best and give you extra learning that you can use to understand more about affiliate marketing, more about getting results. So make sure you join all of these when you can and really immerse yourself in the system and the community. Hello, Wayne here, and go in and introduce yourself. Okay, say, hey, I'm looking forward to this. Tell everyone about you. Then go to share your results, so you can go in here and you can actually see the results people are getting.